Looking for profitable niches on YouTube. These niches will definitely make you money. Hello, this is eMaster, and we've been working on YouTube for a few years now. In this video, we are going to show you some examples of channels that have made big bucks by picking profitable niches like luxury, business, cooking, and more. You can learn from their experience and try your hand at one of these listed niches. Moreover, at the end of this video, we will show you how to choose a niche and what mistakes to avoid when starting a YouTube channel. Now, let's jump right into the channels that are making bank. Number 1. Practical investing. Straight away, we can notice that this channel is into the stocks niche. This niche is arguably most profitable at the moment because stocks and penny stocks got super relevant after the AMC and GME scandals. Reddit is a great place to check out the meme stocks and list them on YouTube. Furthermore, you can get trending really quickly on this niche. All you need is time and some knowledge on penny stocks. AdSense can run finance ads, which means CPM and RPM will be through the roof. Let's jump right into the Social Blade statistics and analyze this channel. 1.1 million views in the last 30 days. The Social Blade stats show us that this channel makes roughly $290 to $4.6 thousand. However, it's completely false because Social Blade CPM range is only 25 cents to $4 US. From our experience, this niche right now should be around $20 to $40 CPM. That means you can make a lot of money. In our estimates, this channel should be making around $33,000 US per month only from AdSense, which is not that bad, right? Always remember that affiliate marketing is sometimes even better than AdSense itself. If we look at the content that Practical Investing produces, we can see that it's very low quality. We would advise you to increase the content quality and go for it. Number 2. Natural Cures. This channel is into the health and lifestyle niche. Now, from first glance, it might seem that the channel does not have that many views. However, let's take a look at Social Blade statistics. Now that's stunning, right? 1+ million views per month. The RPM for this niche is $4 to $12 per 1,000 views. However, the ratio between views and RPM is very important. Unfortunately, there are a lot of creators who are looking for the best paying niches, but they do not think about competition and content demand. If there's a lot of demand, it's very difficult to overfill the audience with the content that they are looking for. That means everybody has a chance. Okay, let's get back to natural cures and some math. On average, this channel is getting around 50,000 views with an RPM of $8, which turns into $10,000 plus per month. Let's not forget that Natural Cures uploads every single day. That's a huge success factor on YouTube. Consistency is key. If we were to take a look at the videos they make, we would notice that produced content is very simple. To sum up this channel, we think that this niche with this large of an audience is super profitable because viewers do not require high-quality content. Simplicity and volume wins in this niche. We recommend using InVideo software to create similar quality videos. Link is in the description. Number 3. Mr. Luxury. Straight away, we can notice that this channel is producing super high-quality content, but let's not get discouraged. Most of the content that Mr. Luxury uploads are royalty-free stock footage, which you can get yourself from Pixabay and Unsplash. In Social Blade, we can see that this channel has more than 200 uploads with over 1.5 million views per 30 days. This is really impressive for that niche because the luxury niche pays $15 to $30 CPM. Furthermore, luxury is evergreen because almost all of the people all over the world love luxury. In our estimates, this channel is making around $40,000 per month. All you need is royalty-free footage and commentary over it. If you can't make a voiceover yourself, we will leave a link in the description with the text-to-speech tool which will help you make your voiceovers. Now that you know some niches, how should you choose one? First of all, we would recommend considering things that you like or have some expertise in. For example, maybe you like video games or you can repair cars for a living. If you play games all day, go ahead and monetize it. You will need recording software like OBS Studio and upload the content to YouTube. We recommend testing the one niche out with at least 30 videos or so. If you repair cars for a living, share your knowledge with the YouTube audience. search for keywords using vidIQ and you will definitely find a lot of opportunities. If you can't think of any niches you like or have any experience in, we recommend these ones: luxury, technology, finance, life hacks, health, and fitness. However, make sure to do proper research before uploading content to YouTube because video quality will determine your success on the platform. Ready to launch your own YouTube channel? Great! Here's some advice for newbies when starting a brand new channel. Make sure you upload at least 30 videos in one niche. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is just the low amount of content you provide. Most new people upload 1 to 5 videos into their channel and conclude that YouTube doesn't work. Upload at least 30 videos and you will have statistics to work with. Our advice: do not start a meditation channel. The idea of passive income with meditation channels look very appealing. However, YouTube is demonetizing these channels left and right. Just think about it. Those meditation channels are doing nothing original, just using some royalty-free sounds and background videos. YouTube is oversaturated at this point with that type of content and it's just continually being reused. These type of videos are not allowed on the platform. That's why it's better to avoid this niche altogether. If you are a beginner and looking for some tools to create original content, we recommend to use tools like InVideo and Doodle. InVideo provides caption and video material for your content, which really speeds up the process. Doodle is software that will allow you to create explainer videos very quickly. That's a tool that we're using ourselves. All links are in the description below. For more videos on YouTube niches, content creation, and more, subscribe to the channel and drop that like. If you have questions regarding this topic, feel free to leave a comment. We will try to answer all of them.